futuristic Bajaj Maxima auto rickshaw, modified to accommodate 100 passengers, showing the interior view. The inside is an engineering marvel, designed with an ultra-efficient layout to maximize space while maintaining comfort and accessibility. The seating arrangement consists of multiple tiers, with rows of cushioned seats extending along the sides, overhead compartments for additional storage, and standing space in the middle with vertical poles and grab handles. The materials used in the interior are a blend of modern and durable elements, featuring a sleek, metallic framework combined with soft yet resilient seating upholstery. The LED lighting system is intelligently designed to illuminate the space without being harsh on the eyes, creating a well-lit yet cozy ambiance. The windows are large, allowing natural light to flow in while also offering passengers a panoramic view of the surroundings. The dashboard is a high-tech masterpiece, equipped with a digital control panel that displays real-time navigation, speed metrics, and AI-powered traffic analysis. The driver's cockpit is ergonomically designed, ensuring maximum comfort for long journeys, with a state-of-the-art touchscreen system that integrates GPS, communication, and vehicle diagnostics. The air ventilation system is optimized to maintain a comfortable temperature inside the cabin, circulating fresh air efficiently despite the high passenger capacity. The flooring is reinforced with a non-slip surface, ensuring stability for standing passengers even when the vehicle moves through bumpy terrain. Smart automation is embedded throughout the vehicle, including sensor-based automatic doors that open and close seamlessly to manage the flow of passengers efficiently. The back section of the rickshaw features a unique dual-exit system, allowing passengers to disembark smoothly without causing congestion. The atmosphere inside is vibrant, filled with the energy of passengers from different walks of life, some engaged in conversation, others immersed in their smartphones or quietly observing the outside world. The digital announcement system ensures clear and precise communication about upcoming stops, important alerts, and safety instructions. Small but significant design elements enhance the experience, such as USB charging ports integrated into seat armrests, foldable tray tables for added convenience, and subtle mood lighting that adjusts according to the time of day. The interior walls are adorned with sleek digital screens displaying travel information, advertisements, and entertainment content. The soundproofing technology ensures that the noise from the bustling streets outside does not disrupt the calm and comfortable environment within. The auto rickshaw is also designed with sustainability in mind, featuring an eco-friendly hybrid engine that minimizes emissions while maximizing efficiency. The suspension system is fine-tuned to provide a smooth ride, absorbing shocks and vibrations to enhance passenger comfort. The seating tiers are arranged in a way that optimizes legroom, allowing passengers to stretch without feeling cramped despite the high capacity. Special consideration has been given to accessibility, with designated spaces for elderly passengers, wheelchair users, and those with special needs. The smart ticketing system integrates with digital payment methods, allowing passengers to seamlessly pay using their smartphones, contactless cards, or QR codes. The rickshaw's security system is robust, featuring AI-powered surveillance cameras that monitor passenger activity for safety purposes. Emergency buttons are strategically placed to allow passengers to alert the driver in case of any urgent situation. The rear section also features an innovative rooftop extension that provides additional standing space, complete with safety railings and overhead protection. Passengers who prefer an open-air experience can opt for the upper-tier section, where a semi-open roof design offers fresh air and an elevated perspective of the city. The overall design of the rickshaw merges tradition with modernity, maintaining the classic essence of an auto rickshaw while integrating cutting-edge advancements to redefine urban transportation. The efficiency of passenger movement within the vehicle is enhanced by a thoughtful layout, ensuring that boarding and alighting processes are smooth and time-efficient. The flooring includes illuminated pathway indicators that guide passengers toward exits, reducing confusion during peak hours. The interior aesthetic is further elevated with artistic elements inspired by Indian culture, featuring subtle patterns and motifs embedded in the design. The auto rickshaw is equipped with an advanced AI assistant that provides real-time traffic updates, estimated arrival times, and even personalized route suggestions based on passenger preferences. The suspension technology also includes an adaptive system that adjusts dynamically based on road conditions, ensuring an ultra-smooth ride even on uneven streets. The integration of smart energy-saving mechanisms ensures that power consumption is optimized, making the vehicle a benchmark in sustainable urban mobility. The panoramic windows also include smart tinting technology, which automatically adjusts the level of shading based on external sunlight intensity to maintain a comfortable internal temperature. The multi-tiered seating arrangement ensures that every passenger has access to a comfortable resting position, even during longer journeys. The presence of digital entertainment screens allows passengers to watch news updates, listen to music, or even enjoy short travel documentaries while commuting. The roof structure incorporates a reinforced safety layer that enhances durability and ensures passenger protection in all weather conditions. The overall space management strategy ensures that the auto rickshaw can handle a high volume of passengers without feeling overcrowded, setting a new standard in public transport design. The smart interior climate control system works dynamically, adapting to the number of passengers inside and automatically regulating airflow to maintain optimal comfort levels. The sound system is designed to deliver clear and immersive audio without causing excessive noise, allowing passengers to enjoy entertainment or announcements without disruption. The modern aesthetic of the interior is complemented by intelligent lighting that can switch between daytime and nighttime modes, providing the right ambiance for different times of the day. The seating material is engineered for both comfort and durability, using a high-tech memory foam that contours to the passenger's body while retaining its shape over time. The energy-efficient air circulation system minimizes power consumption while ensuring a fresh and well-ventilated environment at all times. The auto rickshaw's AI-driven route optimization ensures that traffic congestion is avoided, providing passengers with the most efficient and time-saving routes available.